Hey friends, so this is the end result of this beautiful quilt here. I did do the binding by hand, being that I was having a little bit of trouble with the sewing in the ditch. What an experience. Anyhow, this is my friend Christine's quilt. I didn't get it done in time for her. She passed away of cancer. I am gifting it to her grandson, which will happen this coming week. Again, look at how beautiful. Thank you so much for hanging out. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my channel. Thank you.